Free YouTube background play, no premium hack. Watching videos while using other apps normally requires YouTube Premium. However, there are simple ways to play YouTube audio in the background without paying for a subscription. By using certain browsers or built-in phone features, you can keep videos playing while switching apps or locking your screen. In this walkthrough, the goal is to enable background playback on your device without using YouTube Premium. So first of all, we are going to go over to our apps, and then from our apps, we are going to open up YouTube. As we open YouTube, we're going to go in there, type in the search bar, look for a nice video to play. So up here, we're going to look for a nice video, and this is the video that we are going to play. So click on it, play your video. And then as you can see, the video is playing. And as soon as you exit this app or you lock your screen, then what happens is that the video stops playing. Now, this is something that we want to change about this app. Normally, the background playback is locked behind the premium plan. So in order to solve that problem, we are going to go over to our apps. And then from there, we are going to go over to our Play Store. Click on your Play Store, open up your Play Store, and then up in the search bar, you want to go up here and type in Brave browser. Now, the reason why playback is not possible with YouTube is because background playback is a premium feature inside YouTube, so the standard app disables playback when the screen is off or when you switch apps. Now we're going to use Brave browser to change this. The easiest walk around to our problem is using a browser that allows background media playback. So install Brave browser from the Play Store or the App Store, whichever one you use, and then go over up to the search bar, type in Brave browser, and then this is our app over here. Now I already have it installed, as you can see, so I'm just going to go down here and I can open this. For you, you are going to install the app. You're going to have to wait a minute, and then you will go forward with the process. Brave browser is a fast, privacy-focused web browser designed to protect users while browsing the internet. It automatically blocks ads, trackers, and harmful scripts, which helps web pages load faster and keeps your data safer. So then go on back over to your apps, and then from your apps, open up the Brave browser. So here you have your Brave browser app, and this is what it looks like. So in this app, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the search bar, and just like any normal browser, you're going to type in youtube.com. So you want to access YouTube through this browser over here and not through the actual app. So type in YouTube, click search, and then once you access YouTube, you want to search in YouTube itself. So inside of YouTube, you are going to type in any video that you can search for. So go to the search bar inside of YouTube and then look for a video to play. So we are going to type in, and then there we go, we have a video. So this is the video we're going to play. Go down, play your video. So here you can see that the video is being played. So now, although the video is playing in YouTube, this is not the solution to our problem. What we need to do now is enable background play on Brave browser. So for that, onto Brave browser, you're going to go and click on the three dots, and then from those options, you're going to scroll all the way down and then go down and click on settings. So after settings, you want to go down again, scroll all the way, and then turn on background play. So the second option from here, you want to turn that on. Now mine was already on, so I've turned it off and then on again, and then go back. Once enabled, videos from the YouTube website will continue playing even if you leave the browser. And so now you can even test the background playback. So press the home button or swipe out of the app, just go all the way back. And then the audio will continue playing in the background. You'll be able to hear it, but even on screen, when I open up the notification bar, you'll be able to see that the video is still playing. You can also control the playback from the notification panel. So just take down the panel and then you can play and pause and forward and backward. So as you can see, we have enabled background play play with the help of Brave browser, and then you can control the audio or the video through the notification panel. And this method allows you to listen to music, podcasts, or long videos while using other apps. All right, now let's move on over to our second method, and that is using the desktop mode in your browser. So most mobile browsers also support desktop viewing. For that, you want to open up Google Chrome or Firefox and then go over to the YouTube website. So here we have YouTube website opened up, and from here you want to tap the browser menu. So go over to the menu and tap on it, and then scroll all the way down, go down, and you will see the desktop site option. So you want to tick off desktop site so that that version is selected, and then go over to the search bar, look for any video to play, and play that video. The desktop mode loads the full desktop version of YouTube, which behaves differently from the mobile version. So as you can see, the audio is being played and it is playing normally, but that's because we have the app open. So now when you minimize the browser, then the video will pause automatically. So it's not going to stop, but it is going to pause. And then from your notification panel, you are going to pull down the notification panel and then press the play button on the media controls. That way the audio sound resumes and continues playing in the background. So you can leave the app and you can go back and you can check it out. It will be playing. And so that is it. These are two ways in which you can access YouTube background play for free using browsers like Brave browser or enabling desktop mode in Google Chrome or Firefox. You can listen to YouTube videos in the background without paying for YouTube Premium. This makes it possible to play music, podcasts, and long videos while using other apps or locking your screen.